Meet Sam. Sam is a Toastmaster of Berry Club. Sam loves public speaking. But you know what the problem is with Sam? Should I tell them? Oh, yeah, go. Go, go, go. Sam loves sitting and enjoying watching other people speak. He has two hands, so he claps around, and he has two legs to just come, sit, and go. Have you ever been on the place of Sam, who just claps and goes? Or are you willing to take on to the next notch all your skills? Today I'm going to invite you into why we all should participate in club contests. Why? We'll walk through a few stories. I'll walk through a very deep personal journey of my transformation, of how contests changed the very fiber of public speaking in me, and why we should all move and give a speech at any of the contests. Toastmasters, Alicia, our guest, and my dear friends, I joined the club Chatston Oaks Toastmasters because I wanted to become good at public speaking. I was just looking at how can I improve? How can I improve? How can I improve? And I joined this club. It was the second year of my club, and I had just given 2 speeches. Then Ed, my mentor, comes. Says, you should join the contest, mate. I told, oh, not for me. I'm not so good at public speaking. And Ed said, that is exactly why you should participate. I didn't join that year. The next year, Ed passed on. But his message of invoking me into contests made me stand up. If I were to do it, I will do it for Ed. So, what did I do? I prepared, I watched a lot of YouTube videos how to participate in contests. I even was so nervous, I searched how to prepare a speech for an international contest, or even a humorous one. I watched so many videos, all ideas in my head, and I stepped up. I placed 6th out of 6 contestants. I was bruised, battered. I was hurt. That night, I decided I will not go back to the club. But something deep happened. At office, people started noticing some changes in me. They're asking, you don't sound the same. You are just buzzing with energy. What's happening with you? And that, my friend, was the first hint about getting into a contest. A contest is with you. It's with a man or a woman in the mirror. It's not with people. It's with you. Why? Because you are your best critic. And you are the best cheerleader. So what did I do? I not joined Chatston Oaks Toastmasters. I joined 3 other clubs. Glenaris Toastmasters, Talking Point, where I met Alicia once, and 505 Speakers Corner. And the next year, I poured myself into contests. I failed miserably yet again. But the value, the lessons I got was incredible. Not only I started improving my public speaking skills, I started putting it at work. Be it a big stakeholder, people started asking me, hey, can you coach me? Can you mentor me? I even got an assignment at Kaplan for a keynote speech for 30 minutes. And I was given $500 for it. Wow. Contests are amazing. Let me tell you an incident that happened at 505 Speakers Corner, Toastmaster Club. I was in a contest of humorous speaking. My jokes were terrible. I did dad jokes, mom jokes, and alien jokes. Nobody laughed at it. I felt terrible. Why people are not laughing? People are just smiling, chuckling. But then, yet again, I came out 6 out of 6. I lost, of course. But then there was this lady who was visiting the club. She comes to me and taps on my shoulder and tells, I had not slept for 6 days. I had just been kicked out of my employment. Thanks to your humor, I connected and it made my day. Thank you. I lost, but I won. Because again, the contest is with yourself. And as the cliche, the rest is history. I started coming the third year of my participation, third place. And I kept winning. Second place. And then during COVID, it just exploded. And it was Ed's word. If you are sitting on the fence, show up. Don't give up. Because the competition is with the man in the mirror. My friends, I want you to ask yourself, go back and look into the mirror. Exactly the same mirror you are facing, and see this person. And ask yourself, why are you not competing? What are you afraid of? Because the first step is stepping in and speaking to the man in the mirror.